Question 3. The straight line y plus 2x equals 5 has been drawn on the grid. Complete this table of values for y equals 2x minus 1. Okay, so we've got three values that we need to fill in here. We've got one here, one here, and one here. So for each of those, I'm going to substitute the value of x, which is given there, into our equation. So for the first one, when x is minus 1, I'm going to say y equals 2 times minus 1 minus 1. So all I've done is substituted minus 1 into the equation, y equals 2x minus 1. I've just changed that x for minus 1. So we get y equals minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 3. When x is 1, I can do y equals 2 times 1 minus 1, which gives me 2 minus 1, which is 1. And then finally, when x equals 4, y equals 2 times 4 minus 1, so y equals 8 minus 1, y equals 7. So when x is 4, y is 7. So I've found all the coordinates. I need to now plot those coordinates in order to draw the graph of y equals 2x minus 1. So the coordinates that I need to draw out are given here. So here's the first one, here's the second, here's the third, and so on. So I'm just going to write those out. So for the first one, I've got x is minus 1, y is minus 3. For the second, we've got x is 0, y is minus 1. The third one, got x is 1, y is 1, x is 2, y is 3, x is 3, y is 5, when x is 4, y is 7. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and plot these points onto our graph. So we've got x is minus 1 and y is minus 3. That is that point there. Then we've got when x is 0, y is minus 1, so it's going to be halfway between 0 and minus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the halfway point, so that's that point there. When x is 1, y is 1. So that's that point there. When x is 2, y is 3. When x is 3, y is 5. And then finally, when x is 4, y is 7. So I'm going to plot that point in. And that goes there. Okay, so the next step to do once we've done that, once we've plotted all the points, is to join them all up with a ruler. So I haven't got a ruler, but I'm going to do my best to do a straight line and go through all the points. So there's our line. It's very important that we draw a line through all of the values given for x. So in this case, we were given the values of x between minus 1 and 4. So that means our graph must stretch at least this wide. Normally I would just draw the line as far as I can go on the graph paper. I would use all of the graph paper. I wouldn't do it any shorter than that. That would ensure I won't lose any marks for drawing the graph. So some key points to remember. Substitute in your values into your equation. So substitute your values of x into your equation, and that will give you your values of y. Plot the points on the graph, join them up with a ruler, and then make sure you plot or draw the graph between all the values of x that are given.